Hello everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a review of Gao Silver from Hakuju Sentai Gaoranger, otherwise known as the Lunar Wolf Ranger from Power Rangers Wild Force. So here is the box. Here's the figure inside. And this imagery goes onto the other side of the box and even onto the back. And here's the back. Gao Silver / the Lunar Wolf Ranger. The other side. It's nothing on the bottom. And there's nothing but blue on the top. So that's all for the packaging. So the only thing left for us to do is to actually open up the packaging. And here he is out of the packaging. Here is Merrick as the Lunar Wolf Ranger. As much as I hate to say that, but it is what it is. You all know that I'm a Super Sentai enthusiast. So this set comes with his signature weapon in 2 modes. So here it is in sword mode. And here is that same weapon in its gun mode. They're both painted on both sides. It's very good. He also comes packaged with this blast effect. So let me see if I can see the hole here. Let me see. No, the hole is over here on this side. Can you see that? Look directly into the hole. So I guess the attack could look something like this. Or if it was in sword mode, it could be something else. So on him now, he has 2 weapon holding hands. And then here we have 2 open hands, a left hand and a right hand with the claws. But you can't really see the claws, but they're on there. When I collect all of the gaorangers, I guess I can just have all of the fingertips painted. And here is his helmet. It looks very realistic, very true to the show. Looks just like the wolf. Very interesting. And here he is as Merrick. We can get him to focus. And here he is. We're focusing now. So he has his signature brown hair with his streaks of silver, blonde. This is blonde. Has a little goatee here. I believe that's a goatee. It's very true to form. It's not really Merrick, the actor who plays Merrick, but it's close enough. So let's take this head off. And here we have Gao Silver. So aesthetic wise, I have no complaints. This figure I purchased from HasbroPulse.com. I'll put a link in the description below, where he has silver boots, not white, and 6 stripes on the chest, which is very good. Very good, so I didn't have to go through as many variations to find this guy, but he still has no holster here, which is a letdown, because even his Shoto figure has a holster on the side for his weapon. So, oh well. Well, that's for a different time. If anyone wants to look at the Shoto figures, I have the gaoranger and I have the Zouranger. If you want to watch them, just let me know in the comment section below. So as for articulation, he is pretty much the same as all the, not pretty much, he's exactly the same as all the other figures. So we have head, neck, butterfly joint, shoulder, bicep swivel, ab crunch, no waist movements, torso movement here. Legs can go forward this far, and the back about that far. His ass doesn't allow you to take it down that far. Let's see. And thigh swivel here. Boot cut swivel here. Double elbow joint. And double knee joint. Alright, and seeing as how he is our second Silver Ranger, I don't think that I could let this go by without actually having Mega Silver in here as well. So here we are. Yeah. Someone had said on Twitter that these two are a different shade of silver. They're definitely a different shade of silver. This one is more pearly and shiny and sparkly. And then this one is more, it's not flat, it's more metallic. It's more true to form to the silver that they use on Gal Silver. But we have 2 Silver Rangers. We should be happy about that. So all in all, this is extremely exciting. I'm really pumped up. I know you can't hear it in my voice and I know you don't care, but I'm extremely pumped up for this beginning of Hakuju Sentai gaoranger / Power Rangers Wild Force. So we have this guy, Gal Silver / the Lunar Wolf Ranger first, and in a few more months we should be receiving Gal Blue / the Blue Wild Force Ranger. What is this title here in America? Is he the Blue Shark Ranger? I believe he is. So that guy is gonna be coming out soon. So then once we have those 2, then we'll have 4 more left. It's simple math. And and I cannot wait for that. So this guy is great. He's a great way to start off the line for this particular team, and I cannot wait for the others to be released. And with that, I guess I'm done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next one.